Ford just announced some really exciting news. The 2027 Ford Mustang Dark Horse Convertible is happening. 795 horsepower in a convertible Mustang. Ford has not released a supercharged high-performance Mustang in convertible form since 2013. That was 13 years ago, and finally, it's happening again. I could not be more excited about a grand touring style high-performance Mustang. You cannot get it with any of the carbon fiber track package because this is more of a grand touring vehicle as opposed to going the route of a track performance oriented vehicle. If you have any questions, definitely reach out down to us. We'd love to hear more from you, see if this is something you'd be interested in. Or if it's more your speed, we have two ready to go awesome Mustangs, high performance, that will also save you about $30,000. Over here on my right, I've got a Ford Mustang GT with a Ford Performance Stage 1 Whipple supercharger, putting out right about 750 horsepower. Also paired with a Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust. Fully done, fully spec'd out. Over here, I've got a Ford Mustang Dark Horse with the handling package. This one is equipped at $79,000 rough MSRP. Has a Tremec TR3160 manual transmission, so you can row through the gears. Also, this one has the handling package, so you've got the wider front splitter, the gurney flap, 11-inch wheels out back. That's crazy. On a 315 tire. So this is your track and handling monster. Over here, you have your drag strip, our performance for the streets. Let us know if either one of these Mustangs would be a good fit in your garage, in your stable. Let us know down below.